Hi everyone, my name's Rob Hamilton. I'm going to talk to you a little bit how we're going to manage Invisalign for all of those patients that are in that modality of treatment during this coronavirus pandemic. So at the moment, what we would like everybody to do is to actually continue wearing your Invisalign aligners as has been previously prescribed. Generally, we'll issue you a number of aligners to progress through, and we do want you to continue with that progression as has been directed. All of the orthodontists are going to be reviewing the patient's aligner schedules, and in some instances we may decide, if it's safe to do so, that we will post out the remainder of the aligner or another few aligners to keep your treatment going during any shutdown period. But the important thing to remember is to maintain good hand hygiene. Make sure you wash your hands frequently, especially just prior and after inserting your aligners to try and keep the virus at bay. One of the other things that we'd like you to do is, if you reach the terminal and last aligner that we're able to give you, continue wearing that until this pandemic is over and we're able to resume regular treatment. Do not stop wearing your aligners, otherwise we're going to be progressing backwards. If anything was to break, also feel free to contact us and we'll give you the appropriate advice as to whether to continue wearing the broken sections of an aligner or whether to come in, and we might, under emergency circumstances, be able to make you a retainer to hold things until we're able to kick on with the treatment. If you have any queries at all, feel free to contact us. In some instances, we may be able to FaceTime you or do virtual consultations. So we are here to help you, and best of luck through this difficult time.